Ow! I just hit my stupid hand on my stupid doorknob because I'm stupid. You're not though. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. I'm SB Mitch. You can follow me on the Twitterverse and the Instagram-a-lam. The handle's on your screen right now. Below that handle is my website. It's called ransomnotesneakers.com. Well, that's the website. You can visit the website today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time to find all these shoes for sale, unless someone on GOAT got to them first. But yeah, hello to all the pals! Tonight starting at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, that's when Brick 66 ends. Get your bids in. For those of you unfamiliar with what Brick 66 is, it's my eBay program I do. Shoes that I'm tired of looking at, I will put on eBay for $6.66, auction style, and let them go. You can get stuff for way under market, way under retail, or maybe not. I don't really know. eBay is really unpredictable, and I really don't like it, but I do it anyway, so check that out. But right now, check this out. It's Beater Box Sunday. This box is from Sole Supremacy. It cost me $700 plus $40 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois. You can't go surfing in Lake Michigan! How did that turn into, oh God, I'm so bad at this. For a grand total of $740. Probably gonna make some money off these boxes, but hey, follow along with Clarence. It's gonna be letting you know how much each shoe that I pull out of this box is worth on the secondary market, and then we're gonna break it down at the end to show you how much I paid for the box versus how much the box is actually worth, because that's why we do this. So let's open the box, see what's going on here. Friday's box was awesome. I mean, I don't know if it's gonna be the most profitable box or anything, but man, it was fun to open, and I was just taken aback by that money shoe. I won't say it because I don't want to get spoilers, but that money shoe being the second shoe out might not be great for the content, but this whole threw me for a loop. So, and this box is from that same week, so I have a good feeling about this box. So there's two pairs of loose shoes. They both look small. I don't know if they're grade school. Nope, this one is a size 8. It is an Air Jordan 6 from 2012. It is the Olympic 6s. Lace lock is here, that's good. These are actually in really good shape. There's not a lot of creasing on the toe box. Just a little bit of wear on the outsole, and of course discoloration because it is a 7-year-old shoe. Jumpman is still hanging out inside the insole. Not a lot of money in these, but it's a really clean shoe. And 6s are a very popular model. Not a huge fan of 6s myself. There's your first shoe out. 2012 Olympics in a size 8 with no box. We got another shoe with no box. What year is this though? Looks to be the 2012 release of an Air Jordan 4 in one of the most classic colorways that everybody loves, rightfully so. White cement 4s in a size 8, probably came from the same seller, yeah? Size 8. Where's my light? Yep, it's a size 8. Pretty solid condition. Looks like there's not much or any paint cracking on the midsole. A very little creasing just like the other one. Just some cage discoloration and the tongue discoloration too. Jumpman is still hanging out in there. So these are in really solid shape, just no box. Lots of people love this model. Can't blame them. Size 8. White cement 4s with no box. 2 boxless pairs. This looks like a Foamposite because of course the box looks like someone punched it in the mouth. It's a Foamposite Pro in a size 10.5. Ah! I can't see! I'm just kidding, obviously. You'll see why. These things, it's the Volt Foamposite Pro. These things are bright, holy Moses. In all seriousness, no, they're in really good shape. A little bit of outsole wear, very bright color. If you're into matching, good luck with these. Unless you're directing traffic in a construction zone, you really can't match these with much, but it's a cool looking shoe. It's just very bright. The box looks like it's had a rough life, so. The shoes don't though. Size 10.5, Foamposite Pro Volt. Woo, interesting. Here's what looks like a 3. It's an Air Jordan 3 Retro in a size 10. Been getting a lot of these. Got a size 12 in my last box, why not get a size 10? White cement Air Jordan 3. These have significantly more paint cracking on the midsole, which is gonna happen. These were just worn with a lot more love, so Jumpman is still hanging out in there. Really, really iconic shoe. A little bit of star loss, a little bit of outsole wear, not too bad. Pretty solid, you know, the construction on this shoe, 8 out of 10, but the paint cracking definitely will turn some folks off. Comes with the original box and the hang tag, which is awesome, and the receipt from Shoe Palace. So there you go, size 10 white cement 3 from 2011. Let's keep going. There's a lot of 3s in here, it looks like. And why not? Because 3s are one of the better Jordan models. This is also a size 10 Air Jordan 3. Box is saying, hey, baby. Looks like a pair of Sport Blue. That's what they're called, right? Man, why did I blank on that? Sport Blue 3s. These are worn too, but very lightly. Really, really slick colorway. It just looks like a black cement 3 with blue on it. So, and a translucent kind of blue outsole. The outsole wear it's minimal. I mean, there's almost 100% stars here. A little bit of toe box creasing. The paint around the midsole looks pretty good. A little bit of cracks here and there, but it's gonna happen. Doesn't look like there is a hang tag. Nice. Again, size 10, Sport Blue 3s. I love this colorway. I think it's really slick. I don't know how much they're worth. Probably not much though, so cool. A lot of size 10 Jordan 3s in here. And why not add another one? An Air Jordan 3 Retro in a size 10. Wonder if these came from the same person. This is the Cyber Monday Air Jordan 3. There's something in here? No hang tag in here, that's kind of a bummer. But it's literally an all black Jordan 3 with a white midsole and outsole. Basic as it gets, will match with anything if you're into matching. Really good condition. A little bit of creasing on the toe box, very little star loss, just needs a really solid cleanup. Can't really complain about that. You can see the size sticker is still in there along with the Jumpman, but it's black on black, so it's hard to see. There you go, size 10, Cyber Monday 3s. Looks like there's still 3 more in here. Next up, we have a size 10 Air Force 107 LV8. This is a very, very lightly worn pair. Some kind of camo colorway. I don't know what camo this would be. It says string, black, white, gum, light, I don't know. Like a light-ish camo with a white midsole and a gum outsole. Gum outsole, always a good thing. These look like they've been worn like once or twice. There's no star loss, no heel drag. So these are what you would consider 9 out of 10 Vindis. Yeah, these are in solid shape. A lot of people like camo colorways. And with fall coming up, this is actually a pretty good shoe to get. So size 10, some kind of camo Air Force 1 low. Probably like a throw-in shoe, maybe. We got 2 more in here. Let's grab this one. This is an Air Jordan 1 Retro High. No idea. It's some kind of patent leather Air Jordan 1. It says anti-gravity machines on the tongue. I'm not gonna lie, I have no idea what these are called. The patent is like textured somehow, like it looks almost like snakeskinish. I have no idea what these are. It's an Air Jordan 1 and it's patent leather, and they're very lightly worn. I mean, there's 100% stars, no heel drag. I don't know, these could be sneaky valuable, I don't really know. So there you go, size 10, some kind of patent leather Air Jordan 1. I'm an expert. We got 1 more box in here, looks to be a good one. It's a size 10.5. Air Jordan 10 Retro OVO, which is of course Drake's label, October's very own. This is a worn pair, super lightly worn though. The OVO 10s. You can see some creasing on the toe box, a little bit of wear on the outsole, a little bit of wear on the insole, but you see the owl in there hanging out. These, probably the most valuable shoe in the box, I would assume. People love this colorway. The OVO 12s are definitely more desirable, but this is still a really good shoe because those 8s they come out with, ugh, those are terrible in my opinion. But I think all 8s are terrible because I'm a stupid moron. There you go, 10.5 is a really good size for these. Air Jordan 10 OVO in the white colorway. That is a $700 Sole Supremacy beater box. Just like Friday's, I think this one is really good, but I also have to guess and give it a grade in the report card. Grade time for this box. 3 categories: condition, sizes, value. Let's do condition first. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pairs of shoes in this $700 Sole Supremacy beater box. None of them are dead stock. 2 of them have no box. The major issue with all of these is paint cracking. And I don't do paint stuff, so Condition on this box will say about a B-. Sizes. You're gonna notice a trend in this one. 8, 8, 10.5, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, and 10.5. A lot of 10s in here. I always complain about how 10 is just a weird size for me to move, and then I realize I have no 10s because they all sell. So 10 is actually a good size to get. So sizes on this box, I'm gonna say A-. Value. This is a typical $700 Sole Supremacy beater box. A lot of worn shoes, easy to move Jordans. Aside from those ones which I have no idea about, which I'm gonna look up after the video and probably be like, oh duh, value on this box is pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and give it an A- as well. So with the grade of B- for condition, the grade of A- for sizes, and the grade of A- for value, this $700 Sole Supremacy beater box gets a letter grade of B+ or A-, something in between there. I gave this box a B+, A-, whatever you want to call it. I could be way off though. I just guess when I do those report cards. So let's look at the numbers as I let MC Hammer break it down, sort of.
Break down! MC
Hammer.
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 Sunday Fun Day beater box. Sunday Fun Day beater box. Patent pending on that song, don't steal it. Hey, these shoes will be available today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time on my website. It's called Ransom Note Sneakers, and its web address is ransomnotesneakers.com. That's where you'll find these unless someone on GOAT got to them first. I gotta clean them, so it's gonna take me a minute. I got another box from this week, and I'm really looking forward to it, because I think these boxes are really good. Remember, Brick 66 ends tonight. Get your bids in. If there's anything on there you want to buy, pay attention. Turn on the watch thing. Follow me on the eBay store so you know when these are happening. Cool. Big fan of this box. Big fan of the whole week. Hope you have a really good rest of your day. Enjoy your weekend. What's left of it, at least. And I will see you soon. Till then, take care of each other, and bye-bye.